How to top up the balance of your personal account on the Bit.team website. There are several ways. Let's start with the simplest one. You need to log it to your personal account by clicking on the corresponding icon in the upper right part of the site and select the balance item. Here you will see your wallet and the available balance corresponding to the cryptocurrency. Choose a cryptocurrency and click the Top Up button. You will be taken to a page with the address of your wallet. You need to copy it or read the QR code. Transfer this cryptocurrency to this address. Accruals are carried out after several confirmations in the blockchain network. And pay attention to the regulated time of the enrollment. Another way to replenish the balance is to create an ad about the purchase of cryptocurrency through the corresponding section in the header of the site. And if you want to replenish the balance of your personal account in the fastest way, click on the Buy item. Choose an ad from the relevant sections of the cryptocurrency and buy according to the instructions how to buy cryptocurrency. If you still have questions, you can go to the corresponding section FAQ and see the necessary information.